All right, good morning, everybody. Okay, so the only thing I have on right now is I'm long the HOTH. HOTH seems like it's the only one moving. HOTH. Oh, I'm also short a mini Russell. Let me see if we can get switched over. I'm watching HOTH. Yeah, also short a mini Russell. Looking for a target of 1804. 1804. Good movement so far. I like it. Let's see here. Mini NASDAQ. I don't have anything on mini NASDAQ. That's already headed short. Let's see here. The small Dow, that's down 29. It's already headed short. E-mini S&P, that's already headed short. Nothing on gold. Gold's moving higher. Natural gas, don't see anything on natural gas. Doing a quick scan here, don't see anything on crude oil. Okay, so the only thing we're short is the mini Russell. And I am long this HOTH. Want to watch that this morning. So let's get back to that because it is running. Okay, my entry came in at 354. 354, that was off of HF1 buy. All right, so hold on the HOTH. Let's see what we have. All right, I'm gonna look at some others real quick here. CMX. CMX is also on my radar this morning. Not getting anything on CMX. Let's see. Oh, wrong. CXM. Spell it right. Spread's way too big on that. So I'm not going to CXM. MMV. I don't see any opportunities yet on MMV. CJET, not like that. CJET. UCOR was a nice play the other day. We may heat up later. We'll see. I don't like it though. Right now it's going down, so I don't see any opportunities there. All right. TOP. Nothing yet on TOP. Maybe a little bit later if we start moving up. I may be getting some buy set on TOP. All right. GROV. And nothing to get excited about on GROV, BREA. Nothing there. XELB. I don't see a whole lot in here. FRZA. May have an opportunity on that a little bit later. EHMO. EHMO over. Wow, I could see that coming below $1. I could see it going down about 96. I'm gonna mark it anyway and kind of keep an eye on this. Maybe down to 96. Right. Good morning, Glenn. How are you this morning, sir? All right. Let's go back to the HOTH. BRTK. ZURA. Once again, I think ZURA wants to come down a little bit more here. Not too excited about ZURA. Volume's decent, 1.4 mil, 5 cent spread. I'm going to wait on that. Wait on that. The ZURA coming down to 724. Gonna make a note of that. 724. Let's see what else we have here. BREA. This looks like BREA is going straight down. Nothing on BREA. Don't like it. Yeah, do I think somebody that uses Bookmap have an advantage over somebody that doesn't use it? I believe they do. I think it's always important to know where the order size is. A lot of times, big players will play off of that and try to hit those areas. Particularly if you start seeing an imbalance between buyer and sellers, you definitely don't want to be buying into something where you're seeing a lot more sellers coming in. It doesn't mean it won't be a buying opportunity, but it could push it lower, and then you can enter at a lower price. So, but once again, my big belief is going with the patterns are going to be number one. Looking at patterns, that's number one. Looking at Einstein to see where that's going to take me, because those have very high probabilities. And then using Bookmap helped me determine what kind of size I want to put on. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of BREA. All right. JDST. JDST is my favorite. I'm just kind of keeping an eye on JDST. I'd be interested in this at, let's see. I get JDST up to 50. I would be interested in JDST at 50. I'm going to put an alert up there. At 650. OSCR does have some potential here, but it's going to need a lot more volume. And it's going to need to tighten up on that spread. I'm not sure that's going to be a good play. So I'm just take that off the radar. Just not big following. MMV, I think we've got the same scenario. Not even going to look at MMV. RZA. Could have some buying coming in, some more buying coming in at HOTH. All right, I just added a little bit more on my HOTH. Still long HOTH. All right, so if you're watching us on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Also, if you'd like to be notified on my daily recaps or any new videos, make sure you also hit that notification bell so we can keep you updated on that. Right now, the only thing I have on is I am long HOTH, just got done adding, and also I am short on the mini Russell. Let's check on that. I think it's doing all right, pretty quiet. Still short on the mini Russell, looking for a target of 1804. If we could just make it to the opening on HOTH, I think we could have a nice little parabolic move to the upside. So that is kind of my expectation. I think mini Russell, we're going to be good on the mini Russell. All the indices are down a little bit. Small Dow's down 25, pretty quiet. And the TCS again. TCS definitely has some potential. Go back and look at FRZA. Gotta watch this HOTH. We can get HOTH to 365. Could start running again. I'm also watching, let's see here. Also watching 380. All right, we could get them up to, if I can hit 65 again, I may add a little bit at 65 on ROTH. Hey, about 9 minutes here. 9 more minutes before the opening bell. Indices are still fairly quiet. Still short that mini Russell. And I'm hoping we get a little pop on our OTH. Not a whole lot of sellers coming in right now. Yeah, we're gonna get some up here about 4, but that could dry up by the time that we get up there. Minutes to go here before the opening bell. Hey, Glenn, you want to look at coin? Your favorite, COIN? Let's look at COIN for you. What is coin doing today? I don't see any really strong buying opportunities. I could see coin coming up to, at least right now, I could see, well, never mind, already hit it. Let's see. Yeah, I could see coin coming up to that 46.57. $46.60. But I don't see any really strong buying coming in. So it's gonna have to move higher before I'd really get excited about COIN. So anyway, that's what I see. Anyway, there you go. All right. A little bit more than 5 minutes here before the opening bell. VIRI. I don't think it has anything to it. No, falling way too light. I see ZURA maybe having a little pop to the upside here. Yes, sir. ZURA could pop. But you're going to start running into some selling up here. Let's take a look. Yeah, I mean, it's the ZURA still looking weak. I'm still thinking ZURA wants to come down. I'm not ready to touch ZURA yet. Mm-mm. All right, watching HOTH. 3 minutes before the opening bell.
Police reported 9/10 of a mile ahead on unknown road, 29 seconds ago. Unconfirmed.
CRT, yeah, it's moving, but it's 30 cents stock. I don't think so. All right, just a little bit more than a minute to go here. It's gonna be a quiet opening. We have the small Dow down 28. All the indices are down. ES is down 4. If we get that pop here on HOTH after the opening, and then I'm gonna get out.
ATTO.
Profit target hit. Okay. Target hit on our mini Russell, so we're gonna get out of the mini Russell.
VIRI. ARAB.
All right, let's see what we're gonna do. $74, $75, $80, come on.
ATTO.
Okay, I'm out, got out of HOTH. Nice little pop on that. I'm out of HOTH. All right, let's take a look. We did get out of the mini Russell. Mini Russell did hit our target. So out of the mini Russell. I am flat. I don't have anything on. Let's see. Watch natural gas. Okay, so I want to watch natural gas. I can get this natural gas up to 226. I'm gonna create alert up there, 226. I'm gonna buy some natural gas, 226. Hey, watching natural gas. All right, not quite ready to go yet. 226. I have an alert there. I'll look if he hit. Probably end up buying some natural gas. All right, let's see what else we have moving. Anything else moving?
ATT phone.
LPS. POP. Nothing. Anything I like there? Or ZA? I don't see anything I like there. All right, I don't have anything. I don't have anything that's getting me excited here to get into. VIS. Yeah, VIS has some potential, but I think it's a little bit late getting in on that. So I'm gonna wait on that. LABD starting to heat up. I see LABD move a little bit higher in here. Yeah, I don't think I want to touch it. Yeah, I could see the LABD moving higher, but I'm gonna just hold off on LABD for right now. The LCE. Yeah, a little pricey, not liking the volume. ATTO. You light on the volume. RAIN, that's been on our radar before. And looks like that wants to move lower. Man, I am not seeing a whole lot in here. Let's go back and look at HOTH. I'm out of HOTH. Still running though. Could have some nice selling coming in around 30 up here. $29.30. Get some nice buying coming in down here around 411. Possible pullback to 395. I'm watching the 395 area. HOTH. Haven't decided whether I want to get back in on that or not, but I'm watching 395. Yeah, possible pullback to 395. I'd be careful.
AGBA. RAIN.
All right, just set up another buy on HOLT. Be careful.
UTNE. RAIN. UTNE.
I could see it run up to around 435 right now. 435.
UTNE.
I bought a little bit here. I'm buying just a little bit. Don't want to take too big of a position here. Don't want to give up my profits. See when we get up here to 35. Big seller coming in at 29. All right, got out, picked up just a little bit more on that. I don't like that big selling coming in up there, so I went ahead and got out. Picked up just a little bit, not much. I'm flat again, nothing going, nothing on. Let's check on my JDST. Want to see JDST come to at least 650? I'll get interested in it at 650. Not like on TOP. I just don't see anything there. So I'm just gonna take off my get off my radar. Look at THMO. Yeah, that wants to go lower. THMOs.
RATL.
I don't see anything.
UTMA.
Yeah, I'm not getting much. All right, not seeing much in here, folks.
CNSP.
Children's Place. Let's see, go a little bit higher here. PLCE. Would like to see that spread tighten up a little bit here. Volume a little bit light. That was an old alert. We're already out of the mini Russell, but let's see if that's setting up a buy. Let's see what we have here. No, nothing on the mini Russell. Still watching natural gas. Like to buy it at 226. Right at that yellow line, 226. Watching natural gas.
RATL.
The RIP may have some potential later on. I'm going to keep that on the radar. I don't see an opportunity on DRIP, but I am going to keep that on the radar.
RATL.
All right, I think that HOTH, I'm out of it. HOTH, it did pull back to that 95 area.
Stay in SP. RATL.
See it going down as far as 88. I can see it coming all the way down to 88. Maybe 80, 81.
UTME.
All right, so we're done with HOLT or HOTH, sorry. EST.
RATL.
I think I may get triggered on JDST today. Watching 650.
UTME. DNSP.
Yeah, ZURA, I'm getting some conflicting setups here, so I'm going to stay away from ZURA.
UTME.
Short term, I could see it popping up to around 57,
CNSP.
757. Huh. Let's see. Yeah, what else do we have here? DTO. No volume.
DNSP.
LVTX, no, it's going down, down, down. I do not want to touch LVTX. RZA. Looks like FRZA is getting ready to dip. Yeah, I think that's getting ready to go down, FRZA. I could see it coming down to 307. What was the other one we were watching? Oh. THMO. Yeah, THMO looks like it wants to come down to at least.
UTMA.
I could see 105 on THMO. I could see 96 cents. I want to touch that. We're out of HOTH. Let's stay away from HOTH. Usually if I jump back in on a stock, it's usually either I only make a little or I end up losing. So I'm going to leave that alone.
UTMA.
UCAR. Yeah, I am getting a buy on UCAR. Interesting. Okay, so I'm going to buy a little bit of UCAR. Okay, I'm long UCAR. I'm on UCAR.
UTMA.
Oh, am I frozen? Seems like I'm frozen. UCAR, what's going on? Like I may be frozen. My screen is frozen. I don't know why. Oh,
UTMA.
frozen, frozen. All right, well, we only have a few minutes to go here. I am in UCAR. It is moving higher. What must be going on with Bookmap? Because it is frozen. All right, there we go. Weird. All right, we are in UCAR. I'm in UCAR at 8:39. UCAR sitting at 42. All right, so we're just going to let UCAR play out a little bit here, still in UCAR. And that is the only thing I have on. So we are here at the top of the hour. We're going to wrap it up for today, folks. If you enjoy these videos, once again, please subscribe and hit that like button. For more information, go to my YouTube channel, innovativetradingstrategies.com. Plenty of good videos out there, plus all the daily recaps of my trades. All right, everybody have a good trading day. We'll see you tomorrow, Wednesday. All right, Wednesdays can be good days. Tuesdays are always kind of iffy for me, but so far it's been a good day. Do like Wednesdays and Thursdays. All right, everybody have a good trading day. See you tomorrow.